Good morning. Welcome to a what I eat in a day. Oh, it's another day on lockdown, by the way. Life update from last time we talked. I just spent like 15 minutes taking a selfie in this cute fit. Okay, now I'm actually genuinely very hungry. Let's go have some brekkie. Welcome to another what I eat in a day on lockdown. So this day I had brekkie pretty late. I had my banana oat protein pancakes. So I'll share the link to the recipe below, but it's literally just 1/3 of a cup of oats, 1 banana, 1/3 of a cup of almond milk, 1 egg, a scoop of protein powder. I have been using Macro Mike protein powder. Honestly, any flavor works. I use the banana cream pie almond flavor for this one. And then 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, and then you just blend that together, and that's literally the batter. So I did use a bit less than a whole banana here because I topped the pancakes with the rest of the banana. So then you just heat up a non-stick fry pan or put a little bit of spray olive oil if you need to, and then just cook them up. So then you just plate them up, and I counted them because I was so surprised how many pancakes this made. It made like 7 or 8 or something like that. But yeah, then you just top it with whatever you like. I love fresh berries, so I used strawberries and banana. And then there's powdered almond butter, which is salted caramel flavor from Macro Mike. And this stuff is genuinely crack. I'm not someone who likes powdered nut butter, real nut butter all the way, but this is the first time I've tried powdered nut butter that has tasted better than any actual nut butter, and that is saying something. So I drizzled some on top. It was a little bit runny because I added a little bit too much water, but you can always just add more powder to make it thicker or runny. It's completely up to you, the desired consistency you want. And yeah, I just drizzled it all over the pancakes, and it was so good. They're such a good texture. Definitely try this out, and please try some of that almond butter. It's literally crack. Macro Mike discount code linked below, lol. Good morning, guys. Welcome to another what I eat in a day on a rest day. So disclaimer, whenever you see a what I eat in a day, just don't compare yourself because everybody's needs are so different, and also every day is different. So I woke up very hungry today and I had a solid brekkie. I did title this video what I eat on a rest day, however it's the same as what I eat on a training day. I don't change how I eat for a few reasons. The lighting doesn't like me. Does this lighting work? Yeah, so I eat the same on the days I train. At the moment I train about 6 or 7 sessions a week, but I always have at least one full rest day, which is so important for your body. You need a rest day to actually adapt, make training adaptations, and for your body to recover and repair from the damage that you cause from training. Training is a stress on the body. To actually get anything out of that, you have to recover so your body adapts. So at the moment my training sessions are 4 track sessions. So I train for 400-meter hurdles. My track sessions are speed endurance, conditioning, and hurdles. And then I'll do like 2 to 3 like strength sessions, and that's just a mix of like gym stuff with weights and then body weight circuit type of stuff. So we're currently on lockdown, and I've been using the time to really train hard and recover properly and fuel myself. And I don't find it hard to take my one rest day a week, but I do find it mentally hard sometimes to take more than one rest day a week, which sometimes is necessary. Like, you still have to listen to your body and take extra rest days if you need it. Today is a needed rest day. I've trained super hard the last few weeks and my body's just like feeling it. Oh my god, the birds are wild where I live. My body has been kind of feeling it. So yeah, and in saying that, my activity levels are super high, so my energy needs are still high on a rest day. I still get, especially in lockdown, close to 20,000 steps. I don't intentionally go out to, you know, hit 20,000 steps, but I like to go on long walks. Like on my rest day, I'll still be moving and still be getting lots of steps. And I like to go on walks. I'll go on like a long walk with mum. The other day I did like a 2-hour bush hike with my dad. So I'm still an active person. And even if I had a full rest day where I was sitting all day, you still need lots of energy. Your body's working hard to recover and repair, and your metabolism is higher when you have a higher muscle mass as well. Yeah, today's just another what I eat in a day. It is a rest day, and that doesn't really change anything. Another thing, today's freaking beautiful. It's like a 25-degree sunny day, and it's the 1st of August, which means it's still the middle of winter in Australia. It also means it's my birth month. I don't know about you, but I'm most definitely not feeling 22, because I'm not for another few weeks. I feel 12 still. Oh yeah, that's the other thing I wanted to quickly add. I don't track my macros or count calories or anything like that. I did at one point when I was in a really bad place mentally with myself and with food, and I was severely underweight and was actually diagnosed with anorexia. So I'm not saying that if you count calories you have an ED, an eating disorder. I'm not saying that at all, but for me it's not healthy. However, every now and then I'll whip out my MyFitnessPal just to see that I'm getting enough fuel, especially if I experience like extreme hunger one day. And I mainly like to use it to see if I'm hitting my protein. So as I said, I don't count calories and macros, but I roughly aim to get around 100 grams of protein a day. I like to try and eat high protein because of the training I'm doing to help repair and recover. That's about 2 grams per kilo of body weight. A lot of people recommend that, or even 1 gram per pound of body weight. So I roughly estimate protein based off like the knowledge I have about what amount of protein is in certain foods. Out of curiosity, I'm gonna estimate how much protein was in that brekkie. So I had a scoop of Macromike protein powder, which has 25 grams of protein. I had a third of a cup of oats, which probably has about 5 grams of protein, so that's 30 grams. I had an egg with 6 grams, so 36. Fuck, that was a high fucking protein breakfast. I think that was between 35 and 40 grams of protein that breakfast. Holy shit, I'm a weapon. I'm a full weapon. What, on this planet Earth? I'm roughly looking at my MyFitnessPal, which I don't allow myself to do more than like every now and then, because I don't want it to become a habit or like an obsession. Damn girl, killing the game, 38 grams of protein for that brekkie. Lovely walk. So before me and mum go on a walk down to the river, I'm gonna open this package I got before lockdown, which means it was like over a month ago now. I left my favorite, my pair of sunnies at the track at training one night, and the next morning I went and someone had taken them, and it was very sad. So I bought myself another pair of sunnies because essential item. I bought the sunnies on ASOS online. Quay is how I say it in my head, but I think it's pronounced like key. There are 2 packages because I actually did buy a pair of blue light glasses, and I got both of these sunglasses on sale, which was amazing, and I don't think I would have bought them if they weren't on sale because it's kind of expensive. One came with like a little cleaning towel in this sunset ombre color and one in this color. Ooh, the light, they make it a really nice faded color. No, but they have a fade. Look at the actual sunnies, mum. It's a fade.
Oh yeah.
I don't know, a lot of people don't like that, but I kind of like when I put sunnies on and like the colors of the world change. I like them. They feel really good quality. That's another reason I wanted to buy a good quality pair, so they feel good and last a long time, hopefully. The last pair I lost, the previous pair, I was coaching a group of kids and I put them on the ground to demonstrate like an exercise, and this girl cartwheeled and crushed them.
Oh no.
And then I got a pair of blue light glasses because the pair of blue light glasses I have were like $6 online, and they're really bad. Like they probably don't do anything. So these, I don't know if they're gonna look very ugly or cute, but these are cute. And because I look at screens so much, I was like, I should invest in a pair. So I look at screens a lot because of editing videos, but also like uni, and like literally the whole world is online these days. Both of these. Oh, they kind of change the color slightly, but they feel good. They don't feel like, as soon as I put the other ones on, they have this little bit of a blur. The $6 ones, a little bit of a blur to them, and it kind of like hurts your eyes instantly. So you need a hoodie because the hoodie has pockets.
Okay, got my mask, don't need these glasses.
Me and Mum did a very leisurely stroll along the river.
3 kilometers.
My camera's dying. We're just literally... Okay, my camera died, so iPhone it is. Bush bashing our way back. This is like very steep. Oh, look how pretty that lighting is now, Mum. This is beautiful. Beautiful. Oh, wow. That's pretty. Mum and I ended up going on a 1 hour and 40-minute walk and a little bit of a bush hike. So I did a little bit of programming for some of my clients when I got home, and then it was lunchtime. So for lunch, I've been making stuff at home because we're in lockdown, and I've been enjoying having these like whole grain and seed wraps lately with like avo, egg, spinach, and then toasting it. Such a combo. On this day I had it with grilled chicken and mushrooms. So this is my mum's garlic chicken, which she pan fries with garlic and freezes. So I just sauteed that up to defrost it. Then I sauteed some mushrooms. I added spinach, avo, lime juice, chili flakes, rolled it all up in the lovely wrap, and I added some celery sticks. And then I toasted it up. Toasting it is the key. It makes it crispy and so tasty. So good. And yeah, it's crunchy, delicious, and I love fresh celery sticks. They're so crunchy, and I've loved them since I was a youngin'. So I just finished editing a nice little vlog, and I'm now going to go and practice with my mum a body pump track. I usually also have an arvo snack, and I'm just like not hungry at all today because I ate 2 big meals and they were late as well. Like I usually eat a lot earlier, but I think for the vlog I'm gonna have a snack just for you guys. and just to like promote eating more and fueling even if you're not hungry. So probably we'll do that after my body pump track. Then I'm just gonna do some more editing and emails and stuff before dinner. Alright guys, we're going to be working the back track today. We're going to be hitting all of our posterior chain, upper back, lats. So for a snack, I just had a tea and then a piece of my homemade banana protein loaf, which I have posted the recipe on my Instagram account. I'll pop the link in the description box. Definitely try it out. It's delicious, high protein, and yeah, that's all I had to say about it. So I had that with the tea. So for dinner, Mum made her salmon patties. This has sweet potato and beans and veggies and tinned salmon in it. I'll put the link, like always, in the description box below. So yeah, she made her salmon patties, which she fries up in the pan with some olive oil. And I made a salad, just like a really basic salad with some avocado and pine nuts to go with that, which was super yummy. And yeah, we had it together. We always have dinner as a family lately in lockdown, because usually pre-lockdown days I was coming home very late after training and work. So I had my salmon patties with the salad, a couple of like other baked veg on the side, some pumpkin and cauliflower and broccoli that was left over. I drowned my salmon patties in lime, and then I love to have them with tinned beetroot, and the baked pumpkin also was a really good combo. And I love to wrap them up in fresh lettuce cups and make it kind of like a sanchoy bao, but like not sanchoy at all, but it just like goes so well together, and it's crunchy, and it's just like thebomb.com. Highly recommend. Okay, I'm sorry to be so annoying about Macro Mike, but I'm obsessed. So I had some of their plant-based protein pudding. It's literally this like almond protein, and you mix it with a bit of water, and it's like this smooth, creamy pudding, and it's so good. So I had the berry white choc cheesecake flavor today. It was, honestly, I've loved all their flavors. I added strawberries and some frozen blueberries, which I did after I filmed this, and it was so freaking good. Each pack has like 23 grams of protein as well. It smells amazing. I don't know which of the protein puddings I've tried is my favorite now. I love them all. So good. So that was freaking delicious, and yeah, this day of eating was super high protein, super delicious. I hope it was fun to watch and interesting, gave you some meal ideas. Thank you guys so much for watching as always, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye!